Look, everyone's talking about big venture capital, those giant checks, the flashy deals, the unicorns that flood the headlines. But here's the thing, nobody's saying loud enough. For most founders, those big VCs are not the answer. They slow you down, squeeze you into their timelines, and make you chase growth that kills your vision slowly. You feel it, right? That constant pressure to fit into some mold that's not yours, when all you want is to build something real, something that lasts, something that matters on your terms. The big money isn't really free money. It comes with chains disguised as mentorship, control hidden behind advice, and timelines that force you to burn out. And the worst part? Most founders don't even get a chance because the big guys only pick the winners they can see making billions their way. That's frustrating as hell. But what if there was another way? Micro investments. Small checks from lots of people who actually want to see you win your way. This isn't just about money trickling in from every corner. It's about building a community of believers who don't want to own your company but want to fuel your vision, who see your struggle and say, "Yeah, we got you. You want freedom? This is it right here." Every small investment means accountability to your mission and no one forcing you to sell out. It means raw, honest connection with people who understand the real fight of building something truly new. The power of tiny investors stacked together creates a force so sharp it can cut through the noise of the status quo. You get to own your pace, your growth, your narrative. Now don't get me wrong, this isn't easy. You have to earn their trust every single day. You don't just drop a pitch and wait. You build real relationships. You share wins, struggles, setbacks. You make them part of the journey in a way no big VC ever will. This is about precision, about hustle, about strategy. How do you target exactly the right people who will bring more than cash? Their support can turn into the deep expertise, new markets, unexpected opportunities that nobody else is handing out. You manage that network with laser focus, keep your communication sharp and real, and suddenly you have a living engine behind your project that can outflex the biggest funds. And here's the kicker. Micro investments change the game of power. They break the old, tired narratives where capital only goes to the right faces, the safe bets. Suddenly the door opens for the underdogs, the outsiders, and those who don't fit the usual mold. It's a brutal, raw democratization of funding, and if you can master it, you don't just survive, you own a version of freedom no VC check can buy. You turn the system upside down, and that scares a lot of powerful people because it's real disruption. This means founders have to stop chasing the dream of a magic VC check and start obsessing over activation, how to build tight communities today, how to speak so clearly and honestly that even strangers will want to back you. Investors need to get off the sidelines and stop waiting for some safe deal decided by a handful of gatekeepers. Instead, they have to hunt, network, and jump into the crowd ready to fuel the next big thing before it's polished, spotting genuine, gritty potential that the big VCs missed. So here's what's really going on. The future of funding is decentralized, noisy, messy, and personal. It's about hundreds, thousands of hands lifting a vision. It's about flipping the script from who you know to who you become together. The tension, the frustration, the constant feeling that the system isn't built for you, don't ignore it. Harness it. Use micro investments as your weapon. Build around what feels impossible today because that's what the old VC game fears the most. Founders and investors working side by side without middlemen, without permission, and without compromise. Now stop waiting for permission. Stop hoping for approval. Start hunting your tribe. Build your network with relentless focus. Make every connection count. Share your journey honestly, and launch micro investment campaigns that don't just ask for money, but invite others to move with you, breathe with you, sweat with you. If you want to beat big capital, you have to become the capital of a community that believes in you, because nothing else will set you free. Now get out there and make that happen. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.